Welcome to Cyber Theo. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to create your own tools from raw metal? Today, we're diving into the ancient craft of blacksmithing, right in your own backyard. Whether you're looking to make custom tools or just curious about the process, this beginner-friendly guide will show you how to set up a basic forge, work with metal, and forge your very first tool. Ready to get started? Let's fire up the forge. Introduction to Backyard Blacksmithing. What is blacksmithing? Blacksmithing has evolved from an essential trade to a popular DIY hobby today. Why forge your own tools? The benefits of making your own tools, including customization, self-reliance, and the satisfaction of working with your hands. Setting up your backyard forge. Tools and materials needed. The essential tools and materials for backyard blacksmithing, including an anvil, hammer, tongs, forge, and metal stock. Building or buying a forge, the different types of forges, coal, propane, etc., and provide guidance on either building a simple DIY forge or purchasing a ready-made one. Safety first, the importance of safety in blacksmithing, including wearing protective gear like gloves, safety glasses, and a fire-resistant apron. Basics of metalworking. Heating the metal. To heat metal in the forge until it reaches the proper working temperature, turning it a bright orange or yellow. Hammering techniques. The basic hammering techniques to shape the metal, such as drawing out, bending, and twisting. Using the anvil. Use different parts of the anvil for various shaping tasks, like flattening, tapering, and forming curves. Forging your first tool. Choosing a simple project. Start with a basic project, like forging a small hook, chisel, or knife blade. Explain why these are good beginner projects. Step-by-step forging. A detailed guide on each step of the forging process, from heating and shaping to refining and finishing the tool. Hardening and tempering. The importance of heat-treating the metal to achieve the right balance of hardness and toughness, and demonstrate how to do it. Finishing and maintenance. Final touches. Finish your forged tool, including grinding, polishing, and adding a handle if necessary. Tool maintenance. Maintaining your forged tools, such as regular sharpening, oiling to prevent rust, and proper storage. That's it for our introduction to backyard blacksmithing. With just a few tools and a little practice, you can start forging your own custom tools and more. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more DIY projects, don't forget to subscribe to Cyber Theo. I'd love to hear what you plan to forge first. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.